Kiddos. Merry Christmas. So, I went to Walmart today. This is my third day going to Walmart? But I go to like one and then I go to a different one. So today, I don't know why I didn't the other day go ahead and get Josiah's teacher her gift. So tomorrow's Friday, the last day of the holiday, and I've been waiting, y'all, to give a teacher a gift because y'all know, because of COVID, I had older boys, and before, when you got older boys and they have multiple teachers, a lot of times they don't give the teachers the gift, or they act like, it's not cool, or I don't know, y'all. Do y'all older kids that are in middle school, I think I did in middle school, but high school, do you give the teacher a gift? So I've been waiting for an elementary teacher and COVID and all this stuff, and they probably just give them gift cards. I think that's what I did with Yanni one year. Anyway, let me get to the little haul. So, of course, if you don't pick up these little gift sets at the beginning of the season, sometimes they're like picked over, even though I love that Walmart and all these stores have them. So I went to Big Lots yesterday and I saw a lot of Dr. Teal's sets, and I was like, I'm gonna go back to Big Lots. But then I had to return that short sleeve dress shirt that I got for JJ, and I said, I'm gonna just see what Walmart has. And Walmart did have a Dr. Teal's. This is the only one that I saw. I think I saw some before. This is the Soothe and Sleep with Lavender, and I've had this one before. And I love this one. This was $9.98, and you get the Epsom salt, the foaming bath. Yeah, foaming bath, the body wash. You get the moisturizing oil, and then you get the Soothe and Sleep spray. So you must spray this like on a pillow or something. Okay. Then I went back over there because I got a hat yesterday at Five Below, but I still want that hat like this. I had this on just now. I still want that hat from Walmart. So Sasa, they had a lot of little gift sets in the front too for stocking stuffers. And I got him a new toothbrush because he has the ones from the dentist, but he hasn't been using them. And his bristles, y'all, are going out like this. Both sides. And I was like, boy, you need to throw that away. So this was $3 and $2.94. So you get 3 toothbrushes, and they had a lot of cute ones, the LOL girl dolls for girls, but that's the only one I saw for boys. Okay, so when I was looking at the hats, that's my whole point of bringing up the hats, is that over in the accessories department, they had these, and I think they just put these out, y'all. They just put these out because I wanted to look at the hats, and I couldn't get over there because they were stocking. And these are the Scenic body butters. If you tried these before, let me know. But this is only $3. But I'm curious to know, it's 1.7 ounces. It looks like a whole lot in the box, but it may not be. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm not quite sure who I'm going to give this to. I was going to give this to Josiah's teacher, but I was like, no, I want something a little bit more. So let me stick with the Dr. Teal's. And then I don't know, you just don't know how stuff will do on other people's skin. So anyway, I think I'm going to give this either to my niece or Elise, which is my son's girlfriend. Okay. Then I got a crock pot. I've been eyeing this, y'all. They've been having Pioneer Woman galore at Walmart. I mean, I even saw gift boxes today, like the gift boxes there, and shirts. Y'all seen the shirts and everything? So I got you can't beat these 2 mini 2-pack crock pots, and I was sitting there, y'all, looking for a reason why I needed them. And then I was on, not Pinterest, I was on a Facebook group, and someone said in their mini crock pot they put like cinnamon sticks and oranges, and it's something else you put in the water and to make the house smell good. And I was like, oh, that gave me a reason. But I love this one right here that's gray. But they have on here, keep one and gift one. So I may give the other one away. Mama already has one, so. Okay, y'all, so I went to, oh no, that's not it, from Dollar Tree. I mean, Walmart. Then I got these little face masks, and I should have got all 3 different ones. But I got the hydrating cranberry cider, and I think I'm going to put one in there for Josiah's teacher, one for Elise, and one for Naya. Naya is my niece. So, the brightening candy cane cocoa, they had another one, gingerbread spice something, and I should have detoxifying, and I should have got that one. So, got that. Then I went to Dollar Tree, y'all, because I needed to get some cards. My dad's birthday is coming up. My grandpa's birthday is coming up. And I needed to get some gift boxes before they got gone. So usually by now I would go, but I seemed like I have went at a good time. I didn't see any gift bows, but some years we put bows on presents and some years we don't. So I know I needed some of these gift boxes with the jewelry. You can put gift cards in here too. But with the jewelry holder, it's a 3-pack because I got the boys and Jason several different chains and bracelets and watches and stuff. So I wanted to make sure I get that from the Dollar Tree. Then I didn't get much, y'all, because I was trying to do... I think they had some pretty good cards. So I got this one for my dad. His birthday is on the 19th. And I like the saying on it. So these are 2 for $1. And I love the Heartline Hallmark ones. It's another one. That one from my grandpa. Then I got this one for Christmas. I don't give out too many Christmas cards. I'm going to give one to Melissa and Brian and Calvin and Jamila, which is Jason's best friends that I posted about, Calvin and B. So, I like the Dayspring ones too. Because they're, you know, usually have a scripture in it. It's Christian based. So I got that one and this one. They're already going to see the card. If Melissa and B watch, they watch the channel. Hey, y'all. And I saw these little boxes. I was tempted because I did see some little stocking stuffer toys. But I was like, I don't need no more toys like that. But they were cute. They were like a little car with a little fire. If you guys seen it, it's like I should took pictures so I can post it up. It was like a little fire truck station, a construction station, a police station with a little car for $1. And I thought it was so cute. But I didn't get it. I limit myself to less than $20 or $20. So I saw these little, almost like caboodle-like cases. And I should have got one for myself. Y'all, I ain't doing my hair yet. I should have got one for myself now I think about it. But I got this for Elise and for Naya. I got 2 of them. And then I grabbed these little ones because you also can put jewelry in here too. But I do have some other gifts that will fit in here. And you get 4 for $1. That's a good price, y'all. And then I got another one. So that's the front and the back. So this is a 12 by 5 by 3. And then I saw these. I did see one more size that I should have gotten. I think it was a shirt box. But y'all know the Dollar Tree boxes sometimes are not very wide. So you kind of got to overestimate. So if you have like a thick sweatshirt, you might need to get the roll boxes. Sometimes they have those. But anyway, let's see. 4-pack of boxes. This is 8.2 inches by 6.9. So that's what it looks like. And I think I had 3 or 4 designs of these. So this one says Joy to the World. And have a Merry Christmas. And I think it's another design in there. Then I got another jewelry gift box. So I hope I have enough. What I've been doing this year, because I try to go based off of memory. And then I'm like, oh, I got one kid more than another, which I don't do that a lot, but they may have something a lot more things, but one may have like more price, something that's more pricey. So anyway, I try to equivalent it out, but I also wrote it down too, so I know what to allocate for our sinking funds for Christmas next year. So I can say, hey, Hope, you need to pull back and you only need to spend this much on each one. And two, I've been doing that too, so I know what to get. Again, I don't know if I said that before. Each child. Yeah. Trey's gonna get like stuff that he need. All of them gonna get stuff that they need, but Trey gonna get stuff he needs and stuff for his apartment. He not gonna get no mess. So I got these two, y'all, the blessings at Christmas, and I got two identical ones. I think these are the ones I'm gonna give B and Calvin and Jamila and Melissa. Then these are the only gift tags that I saw, and I have some gift tags. I hope I have some like in my craft room in the closet, in my gift wrap station, but I don't know if I do or not. They may be still in the attic. Like all of my gift wrapping stuff is in the attic. And then I got one bag for Josiah's teacher. I should have got a smaller bag, but this is, yeah, that's gonna be really big. So who knows, I might wrap it. I was afraid the other bag I had wasn't going to be quite long enough. It was a horizontal bag. And is that all that I got today? That's all I got today, y'all. That is all. And I don't know. This probably be the last haul that I will upload for the channel for the season. I'll just have to see. But I just wanted to take some time and with my family while they were out on break and stuff like that. But I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Some things that I normally share, I think I'm going to share those things, but it may be after Christmas. So I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, and I should be back before the new year. So, bye.